In this video, I will show how to calculate GST in Microsoft Excel. So we have this data. Now we will calculate. Now we will calculate firstly GST amount. So select this cell equal. Select this cell, then asterisk. Now select selling price. Then divide by 100. Press enter. You will get this result. Now in the net price equal GST amount plus selling price, then press enter. Now drag and drop it. To get the grand total, you can use the shortcut to sum this data. Press and hold Alt, then equal. Then press enter. So this is the way, guys, you can calculate GST in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.